How much better would your videos be if you could create captions like MrBeast that look like this? Or how about if you could use Alex Hormozi's iconic style that's been blowing up all over TikTok and Instagram? Well, I just found this crazy simple AI tool that can add captions just like theirs to your videos in seconds. But real quick, if you're new around here, my name is Kevin and I help solopreneurs make more, spend less, and work less. So to get started, just click the link in the description or pinned comment down below and you'll be taken to Submagic, which is the tool we'll be using to create your captions. Then just hit try for free, and then you can either sign up using Google, which is a few seconds, or enter your email and your own password. Either way, like I said, it takes under a minute. So once you've created your account, now you can upload a video. It's really easy to do so. Just hit plus new video, and then you can just drag it in, or you can browse. Then just choose your language. There's a bunch of supported languages, and hit upload. Now it's going to upload your video, and then it's going to process your captions. The whole process usually takes a minute or two. So when it's done uploading, that's when the magic happens. So here's where you'll be able to add those captions just like your favorite creators. So if you just click the style you want and you hit play here to preview it, you'll see that it's doing all the zooms and animations. You saw that it's adding emojis that are animated. It honestly looks like a professional editor did this for you. And it works for all the different styles. You can see here, Hormozi's actually got 3 styles you can preview. You can do MrBeast like we talked about, and you can even do Layla Hormozi, Ali, Abdaal if you wanted to, and so many other popular creators. You can customize the color, size, and position if you'd like, and even change around some colors. And if you wanted to, you could make your own theme or customize one of these themes and save it. I'm just gonna choose Hormozi 1 for this example, and then when you're ready, all you have to do is hit export. And then this part will take a few minutes to export, and we'll come back when it's ready. And just like that, we can now preview our video with the captions. We can see how cool that looks. Then all we need to do is hit download video, and we start to download that, and I'll actually show you the downloaded video outside of the preview right now when it's ready. And so let's click on that, and we can see that it's done. Boom, looks amazing. Now you are ready to upload this to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or any platform you want. And what's cool is Submagic actually does have a free plan, and it does let you export your videos with the captions even if you're not on a paid account. The only thing is it does add this watermark. So if you want to get rid of the watermark and get access to some of the more advanced functionality, then you do need to upgrade. And if you're interested in doing that, use the promo code EXTRA10 and that will hook you up with 10% off. Okay, so that's all it takes to add amazing looking captions like MrBeast and Alex Hormozi. But if you're curious what else Submagic can do for you, let me show you. Now I have an in-depth tutorial for these features, so watch this video if you want to see more of how everything works, but I just want to give you the high level and gist of it. So what if your video's not quite ready to add subtitles? What if you need to do some cuts and edits first? Well, Submagic can actually let you edit and cut your videos with using just text. So if you wanted to remove this sentence right here or this word, you can remove it. Just highlight what you want gone, hit garbage, and that part is removed from your timeline. It's honestly amazing. In fact, if you hit remove silence, then it will actually take these long pauses and just remove them for you with one click. So that's how Submagic makes editing your videos and getting them ready to add captions way easier. Next, for your captions, you can actually manually edit anything if you notice that it doesn't seem right, but you can see here it has a 98.18% accuracy, but I always recommend that you do read it over. I've never had to really edit anything, but if you are saying maybe very specific industry terminology or things of that nature, you might want to do it. But the feature I want to show you here is you can actually add emojis to your text. So let's add a few here, and it will actually animate those for you. As you saw right there, it's just adding and animating emojis, and it's just one click to add that. But not only that, you can actually add sound effects. So let's say you wanted to add this money sound to this, and let me unmute the video.
Best ways to make more money in your on. These are the 4 best.
And you can see there, you just heard the money sound. And so that's how easy it is to add really trendy sound effects to your videos to just make that retention level go up. The next thing is Submagic Submagic can actually add B-roll to your videos with just one click. Just hit Magic B-roll, and then in a few seconds, it's actually going to add B-roll for you automatically. It's going to find relevant pieces of footage that you can use based on the text in your videos. And just like that, you'll see that it just added B-roll into our videos automatically. And of course, if the AI doesn't get something right, you can actually replace B-roll, and they have an entire library you can choose from, and so you can select and add a different B-roll if you feel something else might be more relevant. But it's actually crazy that they just did the zooms, the B-roll, the transitions, everything for you, and then you can actually see what it looks like. And it just took the professionalism and level of editing up so much by having the B-roll, the captions, everything. Now, a few more cool things it can do. It can actually add a hook to your video, because everyone knows that first 1 or 2 seconds is the most important. So you can see here what the hook for the video is, so they know instantly what it's about. And that can really help with retention and getting your watch time up. You can edit the hook as you see fit. Now, Submagic can also help you write your description and do your hashtag research for you. Just hit this button and it will actually write it for you and give you recommended hashtags. Then all you have to do is copy and paste this into your chosen platform. You can also add some additional text if you'd like, or you can even upload your own logo and it'll show up right here if you want to add those to your videos. And lastly, you can actually add music, and you can see here, you can preview anything you'd like and just add it to your video. And then when you export the video, all those changes will be saved for you. Since I've been using Submagic, I never want to go back to manually editing things in Final Cut or even a simple tool like CapCut. It's just so much easier and so much better for a busy solopreneur like me. So click the link in the description if you want to try it, and use the code EXTRA10 if you do decide to upgrade to get some of the premium features. And if you got any value out of this video, all I ask is that you tap the like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more time-saving tools like this and productivity hacks, check out the channel. Now, here's that full tutorial and review of Submagic. I'll see you in there.